have posted the recorded version. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I belong to, that is the correct language. Okay, so my name is Abhishek, and I belong to Gujarat.
I
Yes,
belong
please
to Gujarat,
continue.
and city name is Ankleshwar.
Okay,
I
you
have
can say I
I com
belong to. You can say I belong to Ankaleshwar. That is in Gujarat.
that
Why
is
to
in
say
Gujarat.
city's name is Ankleshwar? Very awkward. Tell I am Abhishek and I belong to Ankleshwar. Ankleshwar is in Gujarat. That's the right way.
Okay.
Okay.
My full name is Abhishek Bharatbhai Shah. I belong to Gujarat, and which is no, I belong to Ankleshwar, which is in
Good.
Gujarat.
Very nice.
Okay. I completed my graduation in
I have
2014.
completed. I have completed my graduation. I have.
Okay. Divya, I have one doubt here.
Please go ahead.
In 2014, 2014, I completed my graduation.
Slow down. Slow down. I can't hear you very fast. Very fast. Speak slow.
Okay. In 2014, I completed my graduation. So recently, I did not completed. So can I use I completed instead of I have completed my graduation?
I have completed is the right tense, I guess. I completed. No, it is not grammatically correct connotation. I did
In what?
complete is right. No, they are wrong. I mean, they are wrong. They are wrong. I have completed. It is the task is finished. No, it is in past continuous state. For example, when you say I have eaten, it same goes like this. I have completed.
Okay. So I
Yes,
have to use I have completed my graduation. I have.
you have completed your graduation in 2014, right?
Right.
Yes. So we all say I have completed. And had you
Okay.
had completed your graduation, let's suppose very old, like my father would say that he had completed his graduation in 1980. So he
Okay.
should have said I had completed. तो बहुत पुराना हो जाएगा ना फिर तो उस तरह से,
Okay.
right? तो
You
अभी तो
know,
आपका
2 days
2014
back,
है.
yeah, two
बोलिए
days
बोलिए.
back, I have a doubt. Uh, I have a doubt on this. I have to use like past perfect or past tense.
You have to use past perfect.
Past perfect. Okay, so
Yes.
I have completed my
Yes.
graduation in
Yes.
2014.
Yes.
Okay, and now I want to say in BTech Information Technology. So
Bachelor's in information technology.
okay, so
This is
but
the
the
right term.
sentence will start from I have completed my bachelor's in information technology, like that.
Yes. Yes, I
Okay,
have successfully completed my bachelor's in technology, in science stream, whatever stream is a chemical stream, mechanical stream, वो आप बोल सकते हैं उसके बारे
okay, in
में, right?
information technology.
इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, जल्दी मत बोलिएगा, आराम से बोलिएगा. ठीक है, आगे बोलिए.
Okay, and total I have 6 years of experience in business intelligence.
Okay, that's very nice.
Mostly, mostly I have worked in SAP, SAP side.
Okay,
Apart from my technical side, I would like to share my hobbies and interest. I would like to read. I would like to read. I would like to read books such as Without Fear,
on
which
English,
was written.
I would like to read a books. क्या होता है? I like to read books. I like to read books.
I like to read
Read
books.
books.
Okay,
Okay.
so I cannot say like I would like to read books.
I would like to मतलब अभी अभी आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे, अभी नहीं पसंद है आपको.
Okay, so I like to yeah, I got it.
Yes. हाँ.
I like to read. I like to read books
Books.
such as Without Fear,
Okay.
which is written by Chandrakant Bakshi, and book
Such
is
as remove कर दीजिए. My favorite books are.
okay.
फिर नाम बताइए.
My okay. My favorite books are Without Fear, uh, Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish,
Shashti Bansal. Very nice. Nice
Yes,
choice.
and
Nice choice.
third one, one sec. Bank it, sell it, and invent it. That's the third
Very
one.
nice. Very nice choice. Who has recommended these books to you?
One, the gifted by my wife. One,
Okay.
this book is gifted by my the third one. First, I mostly, how to say, I fascinated, I really fascinated to understand, too curious to know how Bhagat Singh has become a freedom fighter in that age. So that's why I try to understand
Very nice.
reading by that book.
Your wife must be a very wise lady, I believe. Very nice. Very nice. Very
Yes.
nice. Great. Okay.
So
That's
is
it
it
about
correct?
you? Yeah, it's correct. Abhishek, we have to do one thing. Like right now, randomly, I cannot say it is correct. You have to write it completely. Then you have to memorize it completely. And then you have to practice it. And then one fine day, every day I am going to do the same thing again and again. And one fine day I'll approve, अभिषेक अब ठीक है, अभी ठीक नहीं, अभी बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. पहले लिख के आपने जो बोला है ना, आप मुझे कल लिख के दिखाएंगे पूरा एक चीज. उसका एक एक
Okay.
वर्ड याद करेंगे आप. अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं, याद ही करना पड़ेगा, ऑप्शन नहीं. और समझ
Okay.
गए कि यहाँ पे ये बोलना है, उसका ऑर्डर याद कीजिएगा. पहले नेम, सिटी, फैमिली, एजुकेशन, हॉबीज, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, एम्बिशन, ड्रीम. एक ऑर्डर याद कर लेंगे, ऑर्डर को लिख लीजिएगा. उसके बाद लिखने के बाद वी प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. जहां पर ग्रामेटिकल एरर है उसमें आप सीधे सीधे चेक कर लीजिए. आई विल चेक इट फॉर यू एंड यू हैव टू मेमोराइज, गो थ्रू इट. ओके,
Okay.
ग्रेट.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
what are your strengths and weaknesses, Abhishek?
okay, strength I can say.
आप हर क्वेश्चन पर ओके क्यों बोलते हैं? Why you say okay? It's a very bad habit. Don't say okay. After I finish every question, you say okay. आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा ओके, क्वेश्चन पूछा ओके. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू से ओके एवरी टाइम. डोंट से ओके. ऑलराइट. My question to you is again that I forgot the question, by the way. My question was
What
strengths
is my
and
strength?
weaknesses. Strengths and weaknesses. Weaknesses.
Okay, strengths and weaknesses.
फिर ओके,
Okay.
ओके नहीं बोलना है आपको. हाँ,
Okay.
अरे ओके बोलना ही नहीं है. I'll count now. जितना आप ओके बोलेंगे उसी में गिनता रहूंगा. अभी I'll keep on counting. I'll keep on, counteracting. Yes, please go ahead.
Punctual. I'm very punctual guy, and I will do
पंक्चुअल
my
के
work.
आगे गाय नहीं आएगा. पंक्चुअल के आगे गाय नहीं आएगा. ये व्हाट्सएप वाला वर्ड डाल दीजिए, गाय, गैल. आई एम पंक्चुअल. आई बिलीव इन पंक्चुअलिटी. आई बिलीव इन पंक्चुअलिटी. आगे.
I believe in punctuality,
और
integrity, and
वाओ, दैट्स
honesty.
नाइस. वेरी नाइस. Very impressive, by the way. First time I have said somebody says integrity. So you don't cheat someone, you don't take bribe. Are you sure?
Yeah, I can
अरे
say yes.
हद हो गई. आपने अभी कहा इंटीग्रिटी से, जैसे आई कैन से यस. दिस इज अ वेरी dubious statement. You have to say yes. If you say I'm
Yes.
a man of integrity and I am questioning you, do you take bribe? And then you are saying, yeah, I can say yes. This is a very bad statement. You have to say yes only. Otherwise, तो बड़ा अलग impression पड़ेगा ना. Integrity का मतलब होता है believing in the values of a system, right? Nation's integrity छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों से बना है whole. So we have to be honest also. We have to be truthful also. So then we are integral. Like we have integrity in our heart. We cannot deviate from our purpose. And you say, yeah, I'm a man of integrity. In that case, if I question you, do you take bribe, do you tell lies? And the answer has to be no. I don't do all these things. ध्यान दीजिएगा ये चीज. All right, they can question you. Okay. And what are your weaknesses, Abhishek? What are your weaknesses?
I'm not multitasker, guys.
That's not a weakness.
I'm not
That's
multitasker.
not that is
I cannot
not
do.
a weakness. That is not a weakness.
Mm,
Who has said this to you? It's a weakness. The multitasking, not able to do multitasking is not a weakness.
but most of I read that kind of interviews in
You
Google.
have read only technical interviews and you are again giving the technical answers only. So ये engineering तो खत्म हो गया ना अभी. You're still working in an IT company. This interview is going to test your personality and your language skills. No engineering. अच्छा एक बात आप मेरे को जवाब दीजिएगा. मल्टीटास्किंग स्किल में काउंट होता है कि हैबिट में काउंट होता है?
skill.
स्किल में काउंट
count in a
होता
skill.
है, तो ये वीकनेस नहीं है, हैबिट्स की बात आ रही है, हम अपनी हैबिट्स की बात कर रहे हैं। मल्टीटास्किंग स्किल होता है ना, स्किल है किसी के पास कि वो कंप्यूटर पे काम भी कर रहा है, बात भी कर रहा है, इट्स नॉट अ हैबिट। Some people they cannot do multitasking, they don't have the skill, it is not a weakness. I'll give an example to you about my weakness. My weakness is sometimes I'm very emotional. I'm very emotional by nature. My weakness is my family is my weakness. I cannot stay away from my family for very long. समझ रहे हैं आप? आपको कमजोरी की बात करिए, आपकी कमजोरी क्या है? आपकी कमजोरी मल्टीटास्किंग है, मतलब अगर मल्टीटास्किंग आप नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आप ह्यूमन नहीं रहेंगे। नहीं, वीकनेस क्या है? Somebody can play with you on this weakness, right?
Okay, can
That
I say
weakness.
my
Be honest
speaking?
first.
Uh, can
That's
I
the
say
right
my
thing. Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
speaking
You
is
can say my communication sometimes becomes my weakness. My communication skill becomes my weakness, and I am working on it. Repeat करिए मेरे after. इसे करिए.
my communication skills is my weakness,
धीरे धीरे
and
धीरे.
I'm
Communication skill पूरा word sound नहीं कर रहा है अभी. आप बहुत तेज बोल रहे हैं. My communication skills are my weakness.
my communication skills are my weakness,
And I'm
and
working on it.
I'm working on it,
And I am working on it.
and I am working on it.
Great. Very nice. और क्या weakness है इसके अलावा? Are you emotional by nature, अभिषेक?
Yes, I am emotional person.
पर्सन नहीं, ओनली इमोशनल। इमोशनल एक
Okay, I'm
एडजेक्टिव है,
emotional.
इट्स अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है, वेरी नाइस। ओके, एनी अदर वीकनेस यू हैव, लाइक चॉकलेट्स, मूवीज?
Mm, but travel exploring, I cannot say it's my weakness. Exploring a new natural places.
ये तो मतलब आपका आपका हॉबी में आएगा ना?
Yes.
यस,
I can
यू
say
कैन
my
से इट
weakness.
लाइक दिस, माय वीकनेस इज लाइक आई कैन नॉट अवॉइड ट्रैवलिंग, आई एम अ बॉर्न ट्रैवलर, and if I don't travel I feel, worried, bothered. So yes, I can say traveling is my weakness. I really like traveling a lot, and if I don't travel I feel very bad. So that's a weakness. I feel very homesick, or kabhi kabar I hate traveling, so that is also, traveling is my weakness. I can't travel, I don't like to travel at all. That's what you call.
Both the side weakness.
हाँ, अब वो समझाने के ऊपर है ना, आप किस तरह समझाते हैं उसको, ठीक है? ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब मैं अभी within 5 minutes I am about to open the IELTS questionnaire. We'll practice couple of more questions. Abhishek, you are still looking very stiff. Your body is very stiff. You got to relax a little. थोड़ा stiff है आपका body. आप समझ लीजिए अपने friend से बात कर रहे हैं, talking to your friend, your brother, and we are good friends. We are going to hang out. So you live in Ankleshwar.
Yes, I am living in Ankleshwar.
Ankleshwar is famous for what?
Uh, that's famous for the GIDC. Ankleshwar GIDC is the biggest GIDC of the Asia.
Okay. What is GIDC? I don't know.
Multiple chemicals companies are there, and government has provided places for that chemical companies. So I can say big companies like Asian Paints, Meg Money, Wokhard, manufacturing plants are there in Ankleshwar GIDC.
Okay, we have a lot of GIDC. We have GIDC in Gorakhpur also. We have GIDC in Ramnagar also. So we have a lot of GIDC, no? But this is the largest one, I guess.
Yeah, it's the largest one.
Okay, that is why. Okay, very nice. I was working with Vodafone, so GIDC was my account. But sometimes people they don't know what is GIDC. Tell them the full form of GIDC. Do you know the full form of GIDC?
G stands for. Actually, I don't know the abbreviation of the GIDC, but definitely I will.
ठीक है,
I will check.
ठीक है. Tell me about, like, if I have never visited to Ankleshwar, if I come to Ankleshwar, what can I find unique there?
You will find coastal area of Narmada River, and there many famous places are there like Kabirwad, Nareshwar, and Sukalted. That Kabirwad is famous for old ancient banyan tree.
Okay, okay.
That's the largest, I can say, that's the largest banyan tree
Banyan.
India.
Banyan tree.
Okay.
सर बनियान बना देंगे उसको, आप इसको banyan बोलिए प्लीज. Banyan, फिर से बोलिए एक बार.
Banyan tree.
Banyan, banyan tree.
Banyan.
Yes, banyan tree, banyan
Banyan
tree.
tree.
Yes, yes, very nice.
Banyan tree.
Okay, very nice. What about food?
So unique, I can say unique roasted peanuts are very famous and also exported outside India. So roasted peanuts are very famous in Bharuch. The way they are making the peanuts, it's a unique way to prepare that peanuts. So roasted
Okay,
peanuts are very famous.
I come to Ankleshwar and I go to the market with you. What are the good places to eat around? What is very famous in terms of food there? Food.
Mm, okay, so give me some time. So uh,
आप सोचिए,
uh,
मैं आपके घर आपसे मिलने आता हूँ. आपके घर में चाय पीने मिलेगी मेरे को?
sure,
Sure, na? You have to say
yes,
you're welcome. You have to say you're welcome, sir.
you're
Yes,
welcome.
yes, yes, yes. Then if I come to your
Definitely, we will
place,
offer tea.
yes, and if I go out with you, what will where will you take me out? To a restaurant, to a big hotel, the speciality of Ankleshwar. उसके बारे में बात करिए.
Street foods are very famous in Ankleshwar, and
Like,
if you like sev usal, it's very famous in the College Street,
okay,
and dabeli and other junk foods. Other junk foods
what
also
what
are
is
very
what is
special.
what is Dabeli?
It's a bye dabeli. It's very
What
famous
what
here.
what is that? What is that?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What is that?
What is Dabeli? Like, what is it made of? Is it made of
Okay.
like
Uh,
peanuts? Is it made of flour, wheat? What is it, Dabeli? Define that.
okay. So in dabeli, okay. So I have to define the dabeli. Uh, dabeli, which is made by uh, pav bun, I can say bun and stuffing. In stuffing, uh, potatoes, potatoes curry with pomegranate, pomegranate, pomegranate and peanuts. So it will give unique flavor for
Okay,
that food.
sounds very nice. Very nice. Good. Okay, so next question. So, do you like to go out and eat, or you like to sit at home and relax? What do you prefer? Option A, option B.
Quite a tricky question, but I would say if I will find any diet or health diet food, so definitely I will go out and have that food. Otherwise, I want to relax and
Okay, and your wife and your temperament is same or she differs?
about diet. Uh,
No, the food, Abhishek. Why would I ask
okay,
about diet? I'm asking about food.
so
I'll give an example to you. My favorite food, I like non-vegetarian food a lot. Okay, so in Lucknow is very famous for the non-vegetarian cuisine. We have tunde kababi here, we have dastarkhan here. A lot of different dishes of chicken is very famous. So in Lucknow, there is a chicken curry industry. People, they wear chicken wala kapda, and we eat chicken as well. So there are two different terms. One is the chicken, one is the chicken. You eat chicken, you wear chicken here. And my wife is not non-vegetarian; she's vegetarian. So I have very challenging time when I have to search for food. So we have to see for a restaurant which can fulfill both the desires of my wife and me as well, right? So this is what I'm asking you: are your wife and you of the same temperament? They eat same thing, or is she also diet conscious like you?
she is diet conscious like me,
Great, very nice. So you both complement
and
each other. Very nice, good,
yes, and both are vegetarian,
good, very
and
nice.
we also like to cook food we also like to we also our we prefer homemade cook. instead of
Nice, nice,
outside
very nice.
outside food.
Good, good, very good. Okay, so next हम next question पे आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा अभिषेक स्माइल करिए, थोड़ा सा लूज करिए बॉडी को, थोड़ा स्माइल करिए, थोड़ा इंटरेक्ट करिए. मैनर्स बहुत जरूरी है. मैं आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट बोला अभी कि यू योर वाइफ एंड यू आर लाइक इट्स वेरी शी इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग यू. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आपने थैंक्स नहीं बोला एक बार. आई सेड दैट यू बोथ आर कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी टू ईच अदर. यू हैव टू से थैंक्स. इफ आई एम गिविंग यू अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू हैव टू से थैंक्स. वो आपको बार बार आईएल्स के इंटरव्यू में कॉम्प्लीमेंट देगा. That's a very nice shirt. आपने कहा हाँ हाँ ठीक कह रहे हैं. No, you have to say thanks immediately. No, yes, please smile a lot. Okay, next question coming up. Now I have to open the IELTS sheet. एक last question मैं पूछ रहा हूँ और मैं IELTS वाला sheet भी खोल रहा हूँ. Last question ये है अभिषेक. Define and describe your favorite movie. What is your favorite movie? And can you describe your favorite movie?
Give me one second.
आराम से.
One second. Chap 4. Okay. Okay. My favorite movie.
Tell me the name of your movie, the favorite movie you have, and describe the movie, why you like the movie. Meanwhile, I am opening my slides. अभिषेक जी नाम बताइए, मूवी का क्या हो गया, कहाँ खो गए आप, अरे you lost.
No, just I confused between Guru and Tamasha. So
अरे एक नाम बता दीजिए, इतना क्यों कंफ्यूज करते हैं. वन नेम फटाफट, इतना बड़ा है ना. वन नेम.
okay, so Guru is my favorite movie.
मोटा भाई likes Guru. Very nice. That's very nice to know. Great. I have a good feeling about this. So you like business, I guess, no?
Yeah.
So you're a businessman acumen. You have this like of Guru because you like movie like Guru, and I also like this movie. Guru is one of the best movies Abhishek Bachchan has acted.
Yeah.
Good, very nice.
And why I like that particular
Yes,
movie,
yes.
I would like to share
Yes.
2 points. One, that movie part is it's a biography of Dhirubhai and how struggle
It's
and
a
how
it's a biography. Biography. It's a biography or biopic is the right word. The right word is biopic. The right word is biopic, right?
so Guru is a biopic of of the Dhirubhai Ambani, and which has empired Reliance. And now and the second, why I would like to that movie. So, what is the strength of businessman? It's very well acted by Abhishek Bachchan.
Okay. Can you see the topics on the board? Topics for IELTS speaking part 1 and suggested answers?
Yes, I can see the topics.
Very nice, very nice. So 42 topics for IELTS speaking part. They will ask you questions like this, okay? एक क्यू कार्ड भी रहेगा उसमें, क्यू कार्ड में टॉपिक भी रहेंगे. आई विल गिव यू अ क्यू कार्ड, बट अभी आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फर्स्ट. बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू गो थ्रू द टॉपिक्स. पढ़िए एक बार.
Yes, I got it.
Read, I said.
Okay, sorry, I did not get exact word, that's why.
Never mind.
Okay, so first is name. So I have to tell my name right now?
No.
Just I have to read.
Wait, don't read. These are the topics on which they will ask questions. Abhishek, your full name is?
Abhishek Bharatbhai Shah.
Abhishek Bharatbhai Shah. Do you think it is a very long name?
Yes, I can say, except my full name, my name is long.
Okay. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name.
Very nice. And do you think your name is very special?
Yeah, it's very special and special by my religion as well. I can say
Very
Abhishek
nice.
is a very devoted word.
Very nice. What is the meaning of your name?
It's a devoted bath. When they are taking a bath, they will say Abhishek.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So tell me about your favorite TV program.
Mm, TV program. TV program.
Tell me about the
Like
last. Please go ahead.
Tripling. That's my favorite web series, which I have seen last.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. And what did you like about it?
The way they are roaming and they are exploring the new places, and
Okay.
uh, acting did by Chitwan. That's I like the most.
Okay. Very nice. Uh, what sport you like the most?
Uh, Cricket I like the most. That's my favorite sports.
Okay. Very nice. So are
And
you
in my
interested
childhood,
for the
I used
IPL?
to play cricket,
Okay, that's nice. Are you
and I
interested
can
for the
say
next
I'm a very
IPL?
good batsman.
Okay, very nice. So are you eagerly waiting for IPL to begin?
Nowadays, there is a no charm in IPL, but I'm a big fan of the legendary player like Sachin, Ganguly, and
Good.
Dhoni.
Very nice. Oh, very nice.
And post that scams and all these things, I did not have that much interest in
I
IPL.
understand. I understand. Okay, so who is your best friend?
Sehul is my best friend.
Okay. Okay, very nice. And what does Sehul do?
Sehul is doing a job in Yashasvi Rasayan as a site supervisor.
Okay, very nice. So how did you both become friends?
Sehul is my childhood friend, and both we have
How?
completed.
Okay, you are studying together. That's why.
Yes.
Very nice. Tell me more about how did you celebrate this Teachers' Day?
Okay. So, uh, first of all, I have wished my teachers, and also I met him, and I told all my last I have met my teacher 5 years back. I have met my teacher, and right now I got a chance to meet him. And also I can say that's a good for me. COVID is good for me, so I can meet my teacher. So I told what's my right now what's my position, and last year I have visited many places. So that story also I have shared with my teacher.
Good, very nice. These are topics of IELTS. They'll be asking you, and they'll ask you details about topic like friends हैं, कब मिले थे, लास्ट टाइम कब मिले थे, क्या बातें होती हैं, क्या रिलेशनशिप है आपस में, ओके कितनी बार बाहर जाते हैं हफ्ते में, बाहर जाके खाते पीते हैं कि नहीं, डू हैंग आउट नॉट, such questions. Okay, some sample question and the answers. So who gave you your name?
My mother gave my name.
Okay, अब जिसका ये इंटरव्यू है ना अभिषेक, उसने आंसर दिया है, चेक करिए एक बार, पढ़िए पूरा.
Okay, my parents gave me my name. My father, to be exact. Z means knowledge, and Li means accumulation. So I guess my parents wanted to tell me that being knowledgeable
Depends on
depends on accumulation. Depends.
accumulation. You
Sorry,
see they put a,
sorry, I didn't get you.
आगे पढ़िए ना क्या लिखा है, आगे पढ़िए.
Okay, okay. You see, they put a lot of pressure on my shoulders with this name.
Yes, so it is very funny to answer like this, right? Do you like your name?
I quite like my name, and I won't change it for the world, for the world, because it is unique. I don't think that anyone else in China has the same name. It's a part of my identity, and it is meaningful to me.
How is the quality of the answer, Abhishek?
Better, I can say it's quite better.
It's very nice, very nice. Okay,
Very much.
तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Hometown. What's the name of your hometown?
Well, my hometown is the city of Nanjing, which is the big modern city with an ancient history. It's a pretty nice place to live. The weather there is quite pleasant all year round. In winter, the temperatures are quite mild, but in summer it can be hot and humid.
Now you skip the answer and you give me your own answer. What's the name of your hometown?
Well, my hometown name is Ankleshwar, and that's very famous for the GIDC. And
Okay.
I'm proud of being a part of this city.
Okay.
I
Very
can say
nice.
big.
Good. Abhishek, अभी ये question and
Yeah.
answer मैं आपको भेजूंगा. I'll share a sheet with you. This is the kind of structure you have to follow. Are you getting my point?
Yes, I am.
If I tell you what is the name of your hometown, you don't have to say only Ankleshwar. You have to explain. Ankleshwar is based here. The climate of the city is very nice. And if you come to Ankleshwar, you can expect this to happen with you. Right? इस तरह से स्ट्रेच करके आपको बताना पड़ेगा. और आगे बढ़ते हैं. You see all the list I have given here, all the 42 topics, Abhishek, right? They have amazing questions here. Yes. First question. Answer the first question.
Do you think it's important to be on time? Yes, I think it's important to be on time. Time is very important in the world, and we have to punctual. If you giving if you are giving a
We
time,
have to be punctual. We have to be punctual.
we have to be punctual. We have to be punctual, and if you are giving a time to anyone, so be
If you
on
are
time.
giving time, if you are giving time, नहीं आएगा उसके पहले. No, if you are giving time, or if you have set a particular time like this.
Okay. If you are giving particular time, so try to reach before 10 or 15 minutes, or if it's not possible, if any things comes up, if any obstacle comes up, so inform before 30 minutes, so you can respect that you can respect the time.
Very nice. Good. Read the answer. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think definitely it is. I think it definitely is, because it's basic good manners to be on time for thing. I think you would agree it's pretty rude to keep people waiting, and so it kind of gives a bad impression about that person.
गुड. तो आपका भी आंसर लगभग सेम ही था. आपने भी सेम आंसर दिया. गुड अभिषेक. वेरी नाइस. समझ में आ रहा ना अभी?
Yes,
Are you enjoying the discussion?
yes, I am.
Good. Very nice. When you are saying I am, you have to smile a little. थोड़ा smile किया करिए यार. आप बिल्कुल smile नहीं. Doesn't your wife tell you sometimes that you don't smile? Or is it because you don't know me, that's why you're not smiling?
No, it will take time. If any, for me, it will take
Okay.
time. Like I cannot
Great,
reach my
great.
intro personality.
Okay, okay. So probably I have to become your girlfriend then to give your attention.
No.
It's a joke, Abhishek. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke, Abhishek. इसमें हंसना होता है. Yes, हाँ अभी हंसी आ रहा है. बोलने से क्या फायदा फिर? It's a very we have to develop humor. I think you lack humor.
Okay.
Okay. ये आपके टाइप का क्वेश्चन लग नहीं रहा मेरे को. मैं आपको अच्छा क्वेश्चन दिखाता हूँ कि आप थोड़ा और पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए. जस्ट सेकंड. ये है आपके काइंड की मूवी. Abhishek, it is your turn to ask these questions to me. I'll give the answer to you. और नीचे वाला आंसर मत देखिए, आप इसको छोड़ दीजिए. आप खाली मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछिए फटाफट.
Do you like to watch films?
Yes, I love watching films and I am a movie buff and I especially like watching Hollywood movies with different concepts. I like to see movies beyond imagination, and especially science fiction and horror is my favorite genre. Next.
Do you prefer foreign films or Chinese films?
Actually, I prefer watching Hollywood movies, as I said, and I would like to explore more in the Hollywood genre only. Yes, I have tried. I did try watching the Korean cinema, and the Korean drama is very nice. I also watch anime. It's a very different cartoon altogether. And I try science fiction and horror movies, specifically from the Hollywood. I kind of connect to the English language of Americans.
One question. You have used one word, Gerodema, I think.
What?
You have used one word in that Gerodema kind. Just I want to
Gerodema?
note down that word.
Gerodema? I didn't say. I don't know what you're talking about. Gerodema.
हाँ,
Move.
Gerodema.
ऐसा वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे कुछ.
Okay, leave it.
मूवी बफ
So
बोला मैंने आपको. मूवी बफ.
yeah, that I know, but you have used that word. But
Okay. Next question.
how often do you go to cinema or watch a movie?
Since it is COVID, the cinema halls are not open. The multiplexes are closed. So as of now, I am enjoying the OTT platforms. So Amazon Prime, and Netflix, they work fine for me. Whenever I have time, I come back to my place after work. I enjoy movies.
What kind of movies do you like best?
I like to watch horror and action and science fiction. Classical drama is also my favorite. Couple of my favorite movies are Django Unchained, The Conjuring, Terminator 1, 2, and 3, Predator. And in science fiction, I love E.T., Extraterrestrial.
What was the first film that you watched?
Well, it is very difficult to recall, but I guess the first movie I saw was some Chinese movie of Bruce Lee. I guess Big Boss, if I'm not wrong. Very nice movie, lot of action. It is again the capitalist versus the people who are socialist or communist. Very interesting movie it was.
I
That's
completed
it, right?
six questions. Yes.
Yes. So, Abhishek, when I'm answering you, did you see the smile on my face like this? This is a continuous smile, and that is why I'll gain your attention also. Plus, whatever answer I'm giving, it's very generic answer. Like I'm not trying to find the answer. तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है मुझसे, मूवीज के बारे में पूछ रहा है, तो ये तो आंसर बहुत जनरली निकलना चाहिए. Try your heart, Abhishek, and the answer will come out automatically. Right? Next question. Okay, one by one. First question goes to you. What do you do in your spare time?
I would like to explore the new web series,
Okay.
which will cover the science and planet
Okay.
of the Earth.
Okay. Very nice. And what do you do to relax?
Uh, I will uh, I will listen Sufi songs if I want to relax.
Listen to. Listen to. Mark कर दीजिएगा. Listen to.
I will listen to Sufi songs
Nice.
to relax.
Your turn to ask questions. You ask next question.
How do you usually spend your evening?
I teach. So this is what I do. I take demos online. I teach people, and I love young and energetic people like you. That's how I spend my time. In the perspective of IELTS, अगर ये IELTS का इंटरव्यू मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, so I'm a teacher. I teach students of IELTS and TOEFL. So in the evenings, definitely I have demos aligned, and then I have to take the demos. I have to set my schedule right. I have to take up some grammar classes, some vocabulary classes, and then I get tired. I read, I eat my dinner, and then I sleep.
Thanks for the compliment.
Okay.
Do you prefer to stay? Can I ask the next question or?
आराम से पूछिए.
Okay. Do you prefer to stay at home in the evenings or do you prefer to go out?
I hate to stay in the home. I don't like to stay in the home. I am not a person who is always sitting inside the home and uh, thinking and relaxing. No, I would like to hang out. I love riding bike, and if I get some free time after this class, I am done for the day. Since morning, I have taken 4 classes, and this is the last class I am taking, and that's why after this class, I'll go out. I have my bike. I have recently bought a Harley Davidson. It's a very good bike. It's a very nice bike. So I'll go out on my bike and I'll have fun. Don't worry, I'm not that rich. I bought a second hand Harley Davidson. Don't worry. That's
Harley Davidson.
yes, it is Harley Davidson.
Amazing
Sure.
to ride a Harley Davidson.
Yes,
Because
yes.
most
It's
of the time
very,
I saw on highway.
I bought the lowest brand, the street model, street 750. So it's a nice bike. I bought it second hand and it costed me around 3.5 lakhs. My dream was to buy a Harley Davidson, so I bought a Harley Davidson. That's right.
But what was your experience after driving
Amazing,
Harley
amazing,
Davidson?
amazing, amazing, amazing. Like, see, when you ride a bike, I don't know how. ये मैं off context बात कर रहा हूँ. When you ride a bike, some people are there like they're happy with bullet or the sound of the engine, or they are going somewhere with their girlfriend. They don't care about mileage and stuff. But yes, there is a niche. Like people like me, I have seen some people crazy like me who talk to the engine of the bike. So when you ride a Harley Davidson, the engine sound is very unique. It is different. So you can feel the sound of the engine. Somebody is coming. A very different sound. So it beats bullet anytime. Right, and it's very
Okay.
powerful bike, very powerful bike. Yes, but it is very expensive. Like you have to get it maintained every month. So as of now, I'm very scared, but I hope I keep on earning during the COVID time. If I'm not earning, probably I have to sell the Harley Davidson as well. That is the worst fear. So look, good Abhishek. I think you are getting in track now. You are starting to interact. Very nice. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ते हैं. Just a second. I'm liking your nature now. You're interacting. Okay. Yes, this is a very interesting question. Do you like to watch sports on TV?
Yes, I like to watch sports on TV.
Very
And
nice.
boxing and cricket both are my favorites
Good.
movies and on TV.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Do you play any sport? You said cricket. You play cricket, right?
Yes, I used to
Okay.
play
Do you
cricket.
have a favorite sports star?
Yes, Sania Mirza. It's my favorite sports star.
Wow. Okay, that's very nice. What is the most popular sport in India?
Yeah, it's cricket.
Okay. Why do you think it is
Cricket.
more popular than hockey?
I can say because of the promotion, they did not promote as a hockey as a national sports. They did not get that much attention to hockey, so that's the reason cricket is most popular in India.
Okay. Okay, that's very nice. What kind of sport would you like to try in the future?
I would like to do. I would like to play football. That I want to learn, and rugby. That I want to
Good.
learn.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Have you ever tried any dangerous sports?
Dangerous.
बंजी जंपिंग का भी ट्राई नहीं किया है? बंजी जंपिंग अंकलेश्वर में
But
होता है. बंजी जंपिंग सुना है मैंने.
नहीं, नहीं.
नहीं होता.
We
Okay,
don't
I
have
just
that hill places.
okay. Only coastal areas. ठीक है. I went to Nainital. I
Paragliding.
have okay. ठीक है. Have you been to Rishikesh?
No, Dalhousie. Last year I did a trekking in a
Okay.
Dalhousie, Khajjar.
Okay. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Abhishek, that brings us to the end of this session. I will be sharing this session to you. मैं आपको एक चैट बॉक्स पे ये फाइल पूरी भेज देता हूँ. कल के लिए आपका होमवर्क ये रहेगा, आपको ये पूरा फाइल पढ़ लेना है. मतलब इसमें जितने भी सेशन दिए हुए हैं, तो स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस इसी फाइल से हम लोग कराएंगे. सिंपल सी बात. ये चैट बॉक्स में आपको दिया है मैंने. इट इज अबाउट टू बी देयर. इट्स देयर. You can download it on the chat box, right? Can you see?
Yes,
डाउनलोड कर लीजिए उसको वहां से. एंड नाउ फॉर टुमारो आई एम गिविंग यू अ स्मॉल होमवर्क. अभिषेक टुमारो आई थिंक यू नीड ग्रामर क्लासेस. आपके ग्रामर में 3 चीजें हिली हुई है, मैं सुमना को कम्युनिकेट कर दूंगा. सुमना विल टेक योर ग्रामर क्लासेस. ग्रामर में आपको सीखना है आर्टिकल्स. लिख लीजिए पहले, आर्टिकल का इश्यू है आपके पास. आप अ एंड द कहां लगाते हैं, ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, इसको सही करना पड़ेगा. दूसरा हैज, हैव, हैड, ये ठीक करना पड़ेगा. यानी कि फॉर्म्स ऑफ बी, तो सुनना आपको 2 क्लास लेंगी, 2 क्लास में सही कर देंगे. एंड तीसरा आपका है टेंसेस. तो टेंसेस में आपको जो भी डाउट है वो आपको सुनना क्लियर कर देंगे. शी इज अ परफेक्ट टीचर ऑफ ग्रामर. I also teach, but I believe Sumna is more of a very good teacher in terms of basics. So she'll boost your basics. And A and the का error था, has, have, had का error था, tenses का error था, इसे आप correct कर लीजिएगा. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I am fixing your class with Sumna, and Sumna will take your grammar class from the basics. All right. Meanwhile, your homework is to finish this sheet in the next 2-3 days. खाली पढ़ना है, कुछ नहीं करना है कि क्या क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है और कैसा आंसर दिया हुआ है. लैंग्वेज एक बार आपको दिखाई पड़ेगी ना, तो आपका भी लैंग्वेज में सर्च करेंगे इसका आंसर इस तरह किया. मतलब इसने मुझसे पूछा विच इज योर फेवरेट सिटी, सो प्रॉब्ली